Hi, my name is Jagdish Borah, and I am a faculty member in the departments of social work and management at Assam Downtown University, Guwahati. My specialization is human resource management, and I am glad to be here today to take you through the subject of organizational behavior. Now, in the previous lesson, we have learnt about the concept of OB, which I will recapitulate that OB is a field of study, which means it is a distinct area of expertise with a common body of knowledge. It studies three determinants or components of behavior in the organization: the individuals, groups, and the structure. In addition, OB applies the knowledge gained about individuals, groups, and the effect of structure on behavior in order to make organizations work more effectively. So, OB is the study of what people do in an organization and how their behavior affects the organization's performance. And because OB is concerned specifically with employment related situations, it emphasizes behavior such as jobs, work, absenteeism, employment turnover, productivity, human performance, and management. Today, I shall be discussing about the foundations of OB. That is, OB is built on what? What are the various subjects in OB and from where these subjects have come. So it is an interdisciplinary approach, meaning it has been drawn from various subjects. It has drawn concepts, theories, models, and practices from subjects like psychology, sociology, anthropology, political science, etc. So OB is an applied behavioral science with an interdisciplinary approach. So applied means whatever knowledge we gain from OB, we apply it for the benefit of the organization and to make the organization more effective. So it is an applied behavioral science with an interdisciplinary approach. And it draws from various disciplines to create a unique field. So OB has roots in other disciplines. For example, when we study motivation or personality, it is from the field of psychology. So some of these major disciplines are psychology. Now, psychology also, there are various branches, and we draw from social psychology, individual psychology, and industrial psychology. First of all, what is psychology? Psychology seeks to measure, explain, and sometimes change the behavior of humans, and those who have contributed and continue to add to the knowledge of OB are learning theorists, personality theorists, counseling psychologists, and most important, industrial and organizational psychologists. Early on, in the early stages, industrial psychologists studied the problems of fatigue, boredom, and other working conditions. More recently, their contributions have expanded to include learning, perception, personality, emotions, training, leadership effectiveness, needs, motivational forces, job satisfaction, decision making, performance appraisal, attitude measurement, employee selection techniques, work design, and job stress. So these are the subjects we have taken from psychology into our study of hobby. The next one is sociology. Now, this focuses or studies people in relation to their social environment or culture. Sociologists have contributed through or to OB through their study of group behavior in organizations, particularly formal and complex organizations. Sociologists have studied organization culture, formal organization theory and structure, organizational technology, communication, power, and conflict. The third is anthropology, which is the study of societies to learn about human beings and their activities. Anthropologists work on cultures and environments, have helped us understand differences in fundamental values, attitude, and behavior between people in different countries and within different organizations. Much of our current understanding of organizational culture, organizational environments, and differences amongst national cultures is a result of the work of anthropologists or those using their methods. And then political science. So we take from political science, we take issues like politics, power, conflicts, group formation, group behavior. Because political science means the power relationships that exist in human interaction. So whatever that power relationship, we have taken that part for our organizational behavior. So we have talked today about some of the disciplines which contribute to the study of OB, but by no means are the list exhaustive. For example, economics is another such discipline, but we have taken only the major ones. As we come to the end of today's lesson, I would advise you to study the topic in greater detail from any of the textbooks prescribed into syllabus and expand the material in writing. I look forward to seeing you in the next session.